Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be really fast and concerned with your time because if you're having this issue, you want it fixed right now. I'm going to get into showing you how to put in a transition when you really are struggling to do so. It's just not working for like no reason. Okay, so here we are inside of Resolve. I have my two clips right here. I want to cross dissolve between them, but I can't. I can only put it on the first one. Sometimes you can only put it on the second one, or occasionally you'll be able to put it on neither. So what's happening when this happens is that you don't have enough data from one of the clips to give that cross dissolve what it needs. Right here is the very end of this clip, which means that it has nothing to go through to the next clip with to make that cross dissolve happen. So I can put it here and it will fade to black essentially, but I can't put it in the middle because it has nothing to cross. So you can think of it like this. So you want to have some overlap even if that overlap has been cut off. If I was to cut a chunk off the back of this clip and then put them together, I will be able to cross dissolve between these two clips now because it has things to actually cross dissolve instead of having no data. That is why most likely you're struggling to get your transitions in on your clips. Just trim a little off the end or a little off the beginning, or maybe both if that's what you have to do, and your transitions should start working again just fine. If this video helped you out, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you could, leave a like because it actually does make a difference. That covers it for today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow for the next episode of Fast Fridays.